This is the Frugal Gardener. I do most of my experimental gardening during the winter. Well, primarily because it's cold outside and I don't get to do much of my regular gardening. I've already experimented with growing white potatoes in containers, and so I decided to see if I can grow sweet potatoes, primarily because they're more expensive. But this is kind of, I don't know. I mean, I planted these over 2 months ago, and clearly they're growing, but they're growing very slowly. And I'm looking at the date on these, and they're over 2 months old. There also seems to be a white potato in there. That might have been a straggler from before. At any rate, um, I just thought I'd let you guys know what I was up to and show this to you. It's it's going to be interesting. I'm going to give it another month and see if the leaves start dying back. I've been adding a few nutrients to it to see if I can kind of get it to do a little better than what it's been doing. But so far, it seems to be hanging in there. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I will do a harvesting video on this. Hopefully, we'll get some sweet potatoes out of it. Catch you guys on the next video. This is the Frugal Gardener. When you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next video.